Very happy new year to all of you. Happy new year. And in this new year, tomorrow you are going to attempt the exam. So best wishes to all of you. Do your best. Forget about everything. Everything. Only you are there. Your success will be yours. Remember one thing. Just try to recall those who demotivated you. Those who tell something bad word to you. Those who ignore you. There are many people in our family, in our friend, always we are getting neglected from them and they are ignoring us in our work area, anywhere. Just try to recall those things. Yes, this has happened to me, and that's why I want to show that yes, I can do it. I am also powerful. I have more power. Just try to encourage yourself. They throw the stone and you have to make a thing so that that stone will return back to them, right? Whenever you are strong, then no one will be able to throw the stone to you. This new year, this is the new year resolution. Before going to exam hall, just think whatever hard work you put, your parents want your success. And there are many people, those who are always neglecting you, always ignoring you, always not giving your proper space. So you need your space. To get that proper space, you need your success. Whenever you are successful, then at least you will be happy. You will be able to do whatever you want. Because after qualifying this exam, there are many paths will be open. Because you are a knowledgeable person, you learn so many things. Only one day left. At the time of exam hall, 3 hours completely dedicated for yourself. This is my time. This is me time. I am doing something for myself. Forget about everything I am telling you. Please. This one day will change your life. This 3 hours will change your life. And today is the last day. In this last day, last moment, try to recall all the things, whatever you have learned, and try to believe yourself, believe the supreme power. The supreme power is always with those person, those who are good soul. You are good soul. You are trying to do something. That means definitely God will be there to help you. Okay, maybe some challenges will come in your life. Maybe someone is facing some issue, some problem. That is always happening. As you can understand that my throat, I am always facing some, either my family issues or my health issues. It's running, it's going on, and always I am trying to recover from this. That's why today again I came here to take the class. So last moment, it is better to recall all the concept and to do all the expected questions. That is I am trying to cover here. So be ready. Let's do revision with the expected question, most expected question, whatever can come before your exam. So arrange, be ready, full focus, think it is your exam hall. Think it is your exam hall. Just like your exam hall, try to think and try to attempt so that you will be ready for the exam hall. And before going to the exam, I hope you attempted the 3 hours mock test. 3 hours mock test means paper 1, paper 2 together. That is very, very important. Okay. Yeah. And I provide you all the mind mapping, quick revision PDF for each and every subject, whatever previously I have covered and recently also. That is there in rapid revision folder. Go to the rapid revision folder, marathon folder or something. There is the PDF. There, just go and revise. Okay. So let's start. Here, as per these are all as per my prediction. Tell me, do it. Sorry, please excuse me for the noise. Yes. So here your answer is this one. This is a very expected area. Definitely do your critical path whenever you are going forward. Take the max. Here whenever you are going forward you have to take, and after that whenever you are coming backward, then see that only this area you have to, we have done also previously, that is this one. By looking this one your understanding is getting clear, because whenever you are merging this 3, you are merging this 3 na, so it is 4 plus 1 5, this is 4 this is 4 plus 1 5 it will be, and here you can see 6 plus 6 12, that's why you are taking max. So whenever you are going this direction then take the max, and whenever you are going for opposite direction then take the mean, because here you can see this 3 is coming, so 6 minus 3 is 3 and 4 minus 3 is 3, here 11 minus 1 is 10, upper part is backward and lower part is forward. Very very important, must do it. Now next question, matching question, and your, yeah, it's okay. Matching question is very very important for you, as you know. Your time start now. 15 seconds enough to do this matching. Yes. So here for this matching your answer will be this one, because you can see that IO interface is this one, right? And explanation module, what is explaining? This is accept the user queries and response. So you can do this. Now next question. Quickly do it. All your known question, don't worry, everything is your known area, but these are expected area. Yes, be careful at the time of doing this conversion left and right, that is you need to be very careful. You have to go left side and you have to go right side. I'm not explaining, just here only you will do mistake, so don't do mistake. Here you can see I have to go left side and here I have to go right side, that's why I am getting this number, right? So your answer is this one. Now see, very important, very much expected. ইচ্ছে আমার অ্যান্টিবায়োটিকটা দিয়ে যাস তো, আমার অ্যান্টিবায়োটিকটা ওখানে আছে। Yes, so your answer is this one, XOR. Remember that, right? It is not working with XOR. Now next math question, do it properly. I gave the poll or not? For this question I gave the poll? No, right? Okay, I'm giving. Yes. Here, this is very important math for your set theory. You have to apply this formula, and by applying this formula, you are getting this answer. Right. Now, do this. This is very much expected question. Ma'am, this type of question are time taking for me. Practice. Some question will be time taking, some question will be less time consuming. Yes, here you have to remember this chart. This is scale factor, that is precedentness, development flexibility, and architecture or risk. Okay, so it is able to see that explanation and remarks. I am not explaining because you can read it. If I am talking too much, I think I will be not able to continue. So that's why please read it so that you can understand that why this is your answer. Just in the remarks you can see, and that's why your answer is coming. Very low development flexibility means well defined process is used. Okay. Next one. Here this is team cohesion and process maturity. Do this. Recently we have done this question. Yes. So here you can see that 10 vertices are there, right? So you have to remember, whenever the keyword is disconnected means one in this part and all other 9 you can take in this part, and this is a complete graph. As this is a complete graph, we can apply the formula n into n minus 1 by 2 for this remaining 9, and 1 is here. So that's why your answer is this one. Now testing, very important chapter for software engineering. Yes, so here regression testing, boundary value analysis, beta testing. So these are all important, very important for you, With this matching only, your revision is done. Now see. Permutation, combination, probability, very important area. Must cover this area. Read, think and answer. Yeah. So here you need to understand one thing. There are 8 people arranged in a line such that exactly 2 specific person A and B always next. So that's why first we will take that A and B together as a part. So now next, as there are 8 elements, so that's why you will take 1 and remaining 7 together. That means you are getting here 7 factorial. But here A and B you can arrange in AB also and BA also. So that's why you need to multiply with this. So it is 2 multiply into 7 factorial. Do this. Yes, your answer is a common coupling, very important. Next question. These all questions we have done previously also. Still you are doing mistake. Why? Here your answer is 2 to the power 20, right? I told you. As there are addresses, how many addresses are there? That is your memory. 2 to the power 20. 2 to the power 20 means this one. 1024 multiply into 1024. 2 to the power 10 multiply into 2 to the power 10. McCall quality factor. Yes. So here usability. These are the all McCall quality factor which is very very important for you. Must remember this. So answer you are getting right. Now do this. RSA algorithm. Calculate and answer. Take your time, calculate correctly, then do the answer. I am giving you 60 seconds. Why 42 yaar? RSA algorithm is most important, most expected from networking. So here what we are doing, P multiply Q, you are getting this one, phi 1 will get 40. Now D multiply E equals to 1 mod phi n. So here you can see that here D value is given M value and E value is given 3. So you have to do, what is the value for D means? D multiply E equals to 1 mod phi n means you are getting here 40, right? And E value is 3. So D multiply 3. I have to put something which is divisible by 3. 40 multiplied into 1 plus 1, that is 42, not divisible. Here 40 multiplied into 2 plus 1, this is 81. It is divisible by 3. So I am dividing and I am getting here 27. Answer is 27. Very important, don't do mistake here. Now do. Yes. So here your answer is normalization, reduce the data redundancy. All these points you will revise from this matching question only. This is the easiest way of doing revision before exam. Taking notes will be not helpful. Rather than that, doing question and recalling answer and concept is always helpful. Yes, here main concept is that how many total seats are there and how many students are there. There are 5 and 8. That means total 5 multiply 8, 40 students are there. 40 seats are there. 30 students are there. Right, so total number of students 30. There is empty seat 10. So 10 by 40, that means 1 by 4 is your probability. So these questions we have done already, but must revise. Okay, I will upload the PDF. This is a very good question. Do this. For this, you need to understand that input and output. What is that? So input layer required 1 neuron each feature of the input. So image collection is given that 270 multiplied into 1080. That's why here your answer is this one. An output layer, it is each possible category network classify the image. This is nature, animal and sports. So nature, animal, sports, neuron is 3 here. So that's why your answer is this one. Okay, simple question, but just you have to understand that how it is depending input and output. Now next. Connection dissimilar network means one network to another different network. This is gateway. With this only you can revise your modem, router, bridge and gateway. What are the difference? Basic devices of network, but nowadays questions are coming from the basic conceptual area, so you can expect. Next question from DBMS. Different types of integrity, most important for you. Primary cannot be null, that is entity integrity, right? Next. Yes. So here, whenever you are doing union, then you are getting this 5 element. Order is 5. Simple. Do this. This is I am not asking. You can just remember simplex method. Do this. What are the question will help you to recall the concept? Those questions I will ask, and from the PDF remaining questions you can revise once. This is important for your web programming related advanced topic. Yes, the correct sequence is this one. Note it down and remember. Now, NLP, very important for your AI. I already provide you the AI rapid revision, mind mapping. I hope that is very helpful for you. Yes or no? AI mind mapping, how was that? Must revise, 100% sure you will get questions. What is tokenization in NLP? The process of breaking text into smaller units such as word and phrases. That is next one. Different types of data type. After coming from exam hall, identify that okay, from this whatever questions we have practiced, which question, which topic came. After exam, this is your task. From all these expected MCQ PDF, identify the question and give me that ma'am, this question came, that question came. User defined data type, built-in data type, derived data type, and long double one side it is there. Yeah. So structure is one user defined data type. A will be with 2. With that is only we can do the answer, but here also 2. Another thing is derived data type. Derived data type is pointer. Pointer is one type of derived. So your answer is done. Now do the calculation correctly and then give the answer. Yes. So here you need to do the just simple operation, right? Simple operation is there. In the B you are getting this data. So you are doing this 1 plus 1. You are getting it. So after that A. So you are doing the XOR operation. After doing XOR operation, you are getting it. Where is the confusion? Here all of the above will be the answer. Everything is affected. Everything. Next. Numerical. Don't think that your numerical will not come. Definitely numerical will be there. Find out the data and solve it. Yes. So here your answer is 46. Because you can see here total is given na. Your organization is 64 bit. So total is 64. Minus whenever you are doing the opcode and address, minus this. You are getting 46. Simple answer. In natural language, dash is the process. That is stemming. Stemming. Stemming is the process. Now, do this. Thank you, Johnson. I know all of your prayer is always protecting me. Yes. So hard disks, addressing mode, pipeline, processing IO. So these are most important topic of your computer architecture. Must cover. Now this. Oh my God, Thikiva, thank you so much. Thank you, all of you, really. I am blessed. Yeah. So here, see that why I am adding this type of question, because question pattern is, question will be not difficult. Reading is very important. Whenever you are reading the question, understanding the question is easy. So just after reading, you can see lowest and highest, which one is priority is more, that one you have to do. In exam hall, you will face that difficulty, that after reading, understanding and solving. So how you can read the question properly with 100% focus. If your 100% attention and focus is there in exam hall, then quickly you can read it. Don't panic. Read, try to find out the keyword and do the answer. See it. Understand the question, then think and solve. Thirty-four is the correct answer. Here you can see between A and B, what is the longest common subsequence. You will be able to find out the longest common subsequence. It is very important. Trending question, longest common subsequence. PR, QQ, RP, RQP. So you can see that if you are matching this R with R, this Q, R, after that this R can be matched. No. We can start with this one. PP, then RR, then QQ, then again another QQ. So you are getting here 4. So now you can see that it is 4 plus 10 multiply into what is the value of D here? It is given C. C is the length of the longest common subsequence and D is the number of such longest common subsequence. How many longest common subsequence will be there? See, here I am telling you the trick. You already get that it is 10 multiply into something plus 4. Don't waste your time to find out how many longest common subsequence will be there, because whatever you are multiplying with 10, that will be always last time 0, right? After that 4 is there, means this is not your answer, this is not your answer, this is not your answer. Try to apply 3. No, not 3, 4. How 3? 3 not here. These 3, that is okay. D is 3, but this one, see here you are getting the length. Length is 4. Whenever I got the length 4, then no need to find out. Don't waste your time because I already got the 4. So come to the option, you do this. Okay, don't do mistake, that unnecessary wastage of time. Do this. CDM, CDM, FDM. 29% correct answer. So here, how to do the TDM? Transmission rate TDM, frame per second is 4000, bit per slot is 8. So transmission rate is frame per second multiply into bit per frame. So just multiply it. You are getting, this is BPS, bit per second. Here your answer is given in kbps and bps. So I need to convert it. I am getting here 32 bps, kbps. So that's why your answer is this one. Simple question. Networking, numerical, computer architecture, numerical, whatever they will ask, simple. But you need to do the unit conversion properly. If you are not doing unit conversion, then your answer will be wrong. Now do this. Remember this is range. Whenever it is telling about the range is the keyword, then counting short, because it is only giving you in order of n. So that's why this is your answer. Computer graphics, repeated area, repeated question are coming from this topic. Yes. In the scan line polygon, fill which of the following is not typically considered as handling the edge cases, that is backface culling. Now do this. Linked list, array, tree, graph. Is it wrong, Paul? Why? Linked list. A graph. Hold one to many relationship. This is given A with 3. Dynamic data structure. This is correct. So this is not, this is not. After that, array with this static data structure. It is also correct. Tree holds one to many and graph hold many to many. Correct only. Correct only. Option 2 is the correct answer. Yes. Poll was option 2 or not? Okay. Now do this. Okay, okay. Now do this. These are different types of signal. What kind of signal is used for speech recognition? Acoustic signal. Acoustic is related to speech. Remember other signal also, analog, electrical signal, periodic signal. Very important, okay? Now do. Yeah, acoustic is related with sound, okay. Yes. So here your answer is index addressing mode, because always remember dynamic means it is index. You remember this, static means compile time, relative means program counter plus offset, index is base. Here it is control flow, here it is dynamic, and this is pointer access. So that's why whenever dynamic is the keyword, go for indexing. Now do this. Computer graphics. Think properly, check, then answer. Here what is going on? First translation, then scaling. So first need to apply the translation matrix, then scaling. So in translation matrix, if you are adding, you are getting here x dash equals to 5, y dash equals to 3, because one is plus, another is minus. After the scaling factor, need to multiply with x and y. So you are getting here 15 and 6. Now do this. Yes. So here we are doing a to the power n, b to the power 2n, right? So for 1a there will be 2b. How to understand? Here for 1a there will be always 2b. So you can see here 1a, 2b. Here only 1a, 1a, not possible. Here directly you are doing, here also. Here only we can do 1a, 2b, and this is minimum. So definitely this is your answer, right? Now do this. Yes. Here these are working whenever you are comparing. It is actually compare the value with the address. This is the value, this is the address, which is giving you error. If we are ignoring, then we will get 1, because here it is not equal to, right? So comparing, but output becomes 1 because non-equal. Whenever they are not equal, then we are getting true, so that's why it is 1. Here pointer questions, so many pointer questions we have done. I have added some typical area, but other questions also previously whatever we have done must practice. Pointer is very important concept for you, and all the programming question whatever recently we have done must revise. High chance you can get direct question from those programming also. Which of the following is a characteristics of orthographic projection? Parallel line remains parallel after projection. This is orthographic. Most important for you. Next one, Hadoop. Today one time, these are the static topic. One time revise the big data warehouse, data mining, Hadoop, that advanced DBMS PDF I provide, that PDF. And recently we have done cloud computing, IoT, network security in the advanced topic folder. Revise once, highly expected, because question will come from this topic. Definitely it will come. Okay, so must revise, because one time if you are revising, then this is theory, easily you can remember. Conceptual question, numerical question, whatever we have done previously means you can do it, no problem. But this static question, theory question, today revise, so that if this topic are coming, you can do it in your exam hall. So here YARN is the correct answer, because Hadoop distributed handle the storage of the data, map reduce, program modeling, and YARN, that is yet resource, so responsible for resource management and job scheduling. Now do this. Yes. So here your answer is Telnet, FTP, DNS, most important for protocol. With this matching only your answer is done. You must revise. This is your answer. Now tell me. Tipping window, Cyrus-Beck algorithm. Remember the name, Cyrus-Beck. Because in graphics, as I told you, if you remember the name of the algorithm also, then 99% sure topic you are getting question. So just remember the name which is working in what area, then you can do it. Now do this. अरे भाई, normalization basic concepts also you are doing mistake. Tomorrow is exam यार. Yeah, what is the rule of BCNF? Every left hand side should be candidate key or super key. That is, every determinant must be candidate key. Normalization is a most important chapter. Functional dependency most important. 10 marks question easily they can make from functional dependency. Normalization, minimal cover, easily 10 marks comprehension they can frame. Still now why you are neglecting? Check properly and answer. Yes. So given the relation scheme here, which of the following is BCNF decomposition? Here after decomposing, this is the total relation you are dividing. After decomposing, you have to check that each and every one is coming candidate key or not. Here whenever I am checking this, A implies B, it is candidate key. B implies C, this is also candidate key. C implies D, it is also candidate key. D implies E, this is also candidate key. So each and every one is coming as a candidate key, and that's why this is your answer, right? Now do this. Same mistake I did again. Why? Don't do the mistake. That's why I'm asking you. so that your revision will be done. Don't do this mistake. We have done all most of the question we have done before exam. I am not asking you all difficult question or unknown question. I want to recharge yourself. Be confident. Selected some of the question I have taken because already we have done many questions. So that concept you can recall. Problem is that still I am not getting 100% correct answer. Yes. So here the main concept behind this, one to many, many to one, and many to one, these are not required. One to one to many, these are not required any extra table. Only here it's required one extra table for the relation. That is you need to see. And here how many total tables are there? Employee one table, department one table, and project another table. Total 3 tables are there. With that, one extra will be required for many to many, that is for the relation. That's why total answer will be 4. Conceptual area, very important area. What is the minimum number of table required? Now OLAP. গরমটা একটু মিশিয়ে দিই। Yeah, so fact table contain the normalized data and dimension table highly denormalized. Very important for you, very important, must remember. Now the subnetting, most expected area of comprehension type question, must revise. One question I have given here, do this. See, observe, write down and solve. Why only 27% correct answer? You are not revising? क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग भाई? This is asking you that A and B IP address is given, both use the same net mask n, which of the n given below should not, read question carefully, should not be if A and B belongs to same network. So net ID should not come same. That is asking. Here you will, if you are doing easily, just see, observed. Here 105 10.105.1.113 and another one is 10.105.1.91. So if I am doing this, I will get only this part and this part. After that there will be 0 for both, right? When you are doing with 0, you are getting 0, so this one is giving same. For 128 also you will get the same, because 128, these are mind calculation. You will get 1 0 and after that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros, and here it will be in this area some 1, here it will be not 1, for here also. So that's why for this one also you will get dot 0. Whenever you are doing with 192, then you see that 192 means 1 2 4 8 6 16 32 64 128. So this is 128 plus 64, this is 192. And here whenever you are doing 132, then 64 will be 1, after that something will be 1. And for 91 also here will be 1. So for this you will get here 10.105.1.64. Only for this you will not get same. Mind calculation is required. You have to do the mind in mind also. Only this till this part no need to do, only the last part. So this one is not giving you. Must practice, must. Your topic, you are getting minimum 2, maximum 10 marks can come for here. We did so many subnetting questions, right? '93. Confidence. Confidence defines that how often B occur when A is occurring. And this is the main formula of confidence. Remember the formula, maybe you can get numerical question also. That's why it is important. Now do this. NoSQL. So in the context of distributed NoSQL, which of the following partition scheme lead to the hotspot and what is the mitigation strategy? Range partitioning and mitigation here, dynamic rebalancing. Here is your detail. What is happening in hash partitioning, disk partitioning and round robin partitioning also. Revise the topic, important for you. Next. Simple. Most expected, most repeated area, wayside layers. Right? What happening? Why 42% here also? Why 42%? Here session layer, transport layer, with that you cannot do here. Session layer provide organize means the exchange of data between the user. In your session you are exchanging, you are communicating. Transport layer provide end to end. This is the keyword of transport layer, right? Application layer. Application layer is this one. Support the user process, perform the file transfer. MDI, medium dependent interface. So provide the physical channel. Very basic area of networking. Do this. %79 correct answer. Keep it in your mind. Keep it in your mind. Velocity, volume, and variety. This is the reason I am asking you this question again. Because according to my prediction, these questions are very important for you. And I hope always my prediction is working. I believe that. Because before taking the last class and the all expected MCQ class, always I am praying to God, give me power to predict the question. And I am telling you, very important. Whenever you will see these questions in exam hall, then you will see, okay, ma'am told that it is important. Okay, so that you will not do mistake in exam hall. That is my, now you are doing mistake, that is also okay. But tomorrow don't do this mistake. Tomorrow at least you can recall this topic and you can do the answer, right? That's why I am asking you these questions. Last year they asked question from highest response ratio next. Multi-level feedback queue. Nowadays trend is changing. Old question they will not ask. These new things they are asking. So it is multi-level feedback queue and this is your answer. Now do this. ETL tool used in data. So what is the meaning of E? Extract, transform, load. This question they ask E. Maybe they can ask you T or L also. So extract, transform, load. Now what is the purpose of using NoSQL database? Sharding. Sharding is the distributed database data across the node. This is called sharding, right? Now kernel is very important topic. User level kernel, difference. Which of the following is the primary advantage of using loadable kernel? That is flexibility to update the kernel feature without rebooting. Now, what is the primary function of Windows kernel? Window kernel mode. Read, think and answer. It's the same question I am asking you, what we have done recently. Still, why the mistake is happening? Improve your accuracy level. Don't go for any new topic. Don't learn anything. Just today it is your task. Do the all expected MCQ PDF revise. Quickly revise. Providing core operating system service such that the memory management and the process scheduling, right? I told you that's why to prepare your one-liner notebook, what is important from wherever you are doing mistake, write down it. If your one-liner notebook, if your mind mapping notebook is ready, revise those topic only. Which relation algebra operator would be the specific to find the department, that is division. It is most important from relational algebra SQL. You can get 10 marks question, highly expected, and division out of them most expected. Whenever all is there, you have to do division. Remember that. I'm not telling you this question will come, but maybe this area, related area, you need to remember that division means it is whenever I am comparing that with all another one. Read the statements. Agile methodology, most important for your software engineering. So here you can see this. So utility time box. So by utilizing time box iteration and continuing the customer collaboration. Okay. Now do this one. Very first chapter of your networking, basic question. Huh? এমনি চলে যা, বলে দে সবাইকে হ্যাপি। Okay. Yeah, see that in a mesh network with 10 nodes require 45 links. So here how to calculate, that is you need to remember. Here the calculation number of link is n into n minus 1 by 2 because it is the concept of complete graph. Okay, and 10 nodes are there, that's why you are getting here 45, and 4 nodes. So 4 nodes means 4 multiplied into 3 by 2, that's why 6. So simple. Now tell me, these are all your scoring area. That's why I'm asking you this question, so that you can get your score. Suddenly there was network issue. I think now it is fine. So your answer is here, part program evaluation and review technique. Now do this. Limitation of black box testing. From testing chapter easily they can frame 10 marks. These all the topics are your 10 marks question topic. White box testing, black box testing, statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage, cyclomatic complexity. Must revise once. So it does not, this one, right? Internal logic is not there. Now yes. So here your answer is the database configuration management SCM information for this IT, and this one is this. Now next. Who is responsible for creation of symbol table? That is compiler. Now say B plus tree, B tree difference, and the main properties of B plus tree, most important because it is related with indexing. Yes, each leaf can hold the maximum, that is m minus 1. Now do this. Intermediate code, repeated questions are coming. Yes. So here, increase the chance of reusing the machine independent code optimizer with the other compiler. Now, Dijkstra-Bellman-Ford, most important topic of graph theory and data structure algorithm. Why it's buffering sometime? Let me change the internet 1 minute. Yeah, now I think it's better, right? It was, now it's coming better. Hello? Yeah, so it is graph with negative weightage. This is working, right? Disaster is not working with negative edge. Thrashing. Thrashing is most important topic of operating system. What is thrashing? Refer to the operating system. Excessive swapping in the process. That is called thrashing. Now breadth first. BFS, DFS. Most important. And from here you can get this type of theory question also, numerical question also. %70 correct answer. Breadth first search uses the heuristic to explore the most promising node, whereas depth first search explores the deepest possible along with the branch before backtracking. Deadlock. $15 enough to do this. 71% correct answer. So here what we have to take, the maximum need is there, worst case we need to take maximum need minus 1, 2, 3, 5. You are getting here 10 plus 1 extra will be required to get it from deadlock. Worst case, do it, then plus 1. That is your answer, right? This time I did this. Okay, so your answer is 11. Good. Now backtracking, different categories of algorithm: backtracking, dynamic, greedy, different categories, how they are working. Yes, so here it involves the deducing the additional constant that must satisfy by any valid solution. That's why we are doing backtracking, because in exam hall also tomorrow must try the backtracking. Whenever you are not taking normal way, then go for backtracking with the option. Sometimes it is giving you easy and quick answer. This round robin scheduling must do. I'm not doing now. This is already we have done, but practice it. Numerical is important. Now do this AVL tree. Read the statements and do the answer. Yes, AVL tree required the most complex sequence rotation, because here deletion required the cascading effect. Whenever you are deleting, then upper part also you need to do the cascading effect. Next, the terminologies of software engineering. Which move, this subject is most neglected subject. You are not doing it. Yes, 51% correct answer. It is called predictable. Predictable. Remember that. Now, most suitable for hierarchical structure. Why 38%? Most suitable for hierarchical structure is context free, because you are doing the tree structure. Hierarchical means tree structure. That is possible using context free only. Now tell me, most repeated area. 94. Yes, this is called regression testing. If you are checking, that is called regression testing. Here, this type of grammar is most important from the TOC. Grammar, finding finite automata, given question, from there you need to understand that what language is accepted. Hey, why you are doing mistake this one? Only 16%. Most of you are doing mistake. Why? Here, generating the language most important for you. Here, whenever I am starting with S, see that S implies AB. This is there. Now after A, I can do with this one, that is AA. After that again I can write A because I need 3 A's. 3 A's. Here A is already there. From here I can put again 1 A. After that, from here I can take A. Right. So you have done here, you are getting 1 A already there. This is second A and this is third A. No. We have done this. After that you are getting again AA. So this A is already there. Now I have to write another way. You will be not able to understand. AA. So this is one. Now after that you are breaking this one, that is AA. This is another one. After that you are writing this. This is A. Same way we will do here. B. Then again B. Then finally B. So 1, 2, 3. So you will read like this: A, then B. So this is coming. So how many internal nodes are there? Except leaf node, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including root. That is very important. Including root, total 7. Only leaf part will not come in internal node. Okay. Do this. If we love the subject, then it love back, and if we neglect the subject, is also exactly. It is not only for subject, it is eternal truth for whole world. You love, in return you will get love. Always it is not happening for human being, but except the human being, everyone you will get the proper return. Yes. So which one is the lowest one? Here, more efficient. More efficient means which is going on in less time. Log n is the less. You need to remember the sequence. Log n, after that n, then n log n, then n square, then n to the power n or 2 to the power n. So it is the best one. Now NP hard, NP complete. Yes. So here you can see that NP hard problem may or may not be NP. From here always one question are coming. NP hard, NP complete, one question always they are asking. Here peephole optimization, very popular. No, This is another one from your TS algo. Approximation algorithm. This is traveling salesman, because traveling salesman is also one type of NP hard problem. Next, people optimization. Yes. Removing redundant code across the neighbor instruction sequence. Next, greedy algorithm. Quick poll, okay. Read it. Yes. Which one is the true for the statement? Here the solution generated incrementally by making the best choice. Local solution. We are going for local solution. Remember it. Now tell me, is a easy numerical, conceptual numerical from your networking. Yes, Kirtana. Think and answer. Try to think properly and answer. What is the maximum number of unacknowledged frame that can exist at a time? Here it is depending on the slide size. Window size is 4. That's why maximum will be always 4, not more than that. Here the question is asking you which one is false. Be careful which one is false. Other than that, all are true. This is only false. Very carefully read the question, otherwise you will do these mistakes. That is happening. TDMA, FDMA, CDMA. Very important difference of networking. 51% correct answer. FDMA uses fixed allocation of frequency band regardless of traffic demand. These are the all difference between FDMA and TDMA. CDMA is code sharing, TDMA is time sharing, and FDMA frequency sharing. Right. Now do this. Now only I will upload this PDF. Do this. I will ask you more 2 questions. After that I will end the session because I have not prepared lunch. At least something I have to prepare to eat. Okay. So here your answer is OSPF, which is suitable for adapting changes. Okay. Now next, MANET, very important topic. Again and again questions are coming from this topic. What is MANET? %64% correct answer. So here request and send, clear and send. This is RTS and CTS. Here it is the detail about the MANET. Okay. Next one. Do this. Last question. Last question for now. Yes. So here your answer is MQTT, message queuing telemetry transport. So this is your answer. Okay. So till now I can see that Pravina 70, Manjula 55, Radha 53, Kirtana 49, Kajal 47, Soumya 45, Uma 43, Gayatri 43, Shamla 40, and Santosh 38. Okay. So I think you learn something, means learn not, your revision is done properly. These are the topics are important. There are so many other topics are also there. These are the question I taken so that your proper revision with quickly means your easily collecting. You can easily collect the marks from here. Okay. Easily you can collect the marks from here. That is very important. So other questions are there, other topics are there. As I told you previously also, please revise the formula of all the math. Then go for computer architecture, at least each and every subject wise PDF whatever I have provide, revise it. And the numericals will come, definitely it will come. Okay. Evening I will try to meet you. As a tomorrow is second half or first half, let me know. Evening I will try to meet with some easy quickly question, and we will do some quickly question, or I will meet you with all. Okay, tomorrow 9 to 12. Okay. Then 5:30 just we will meet one time.